Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to my waffle square, where I obsess about things and you get to benefit from it. Such as this nasty faded front bumper grille on my daughter's 2012 Toyota Tacoma. In this video, we are going to replace it for this brand new, nice dark plastic. Now this will apply to a 2012 through 2015 based on your trim model. And I bought this on carparts.com for $42, which I think for a piece of trim on a vehicle that's this old is a great value. Now that's plus shipping. All right, let's get started.
Obsession.
Brought to you by Waffle Square.
So just look at how worn out and faded that lower piece of grille trim is, especially compared to this top piece. It's nice and pretty and black. So this is what we're replacing today. All right, it's very helpful to take a look at the new piece of trim to get a game plan of what it's going to take to remove it and put our new one on. First, the top row here has these clips. These are very easy to access. You can actually reach your hand in like you see here, or you can lift up the hood and go in from there. Second, you have the bottom row. Those are very easy to pop out. You can just reach in there with a finger and press a very easy piece of plastic to overcome and push those out of the way. The tough ones are this center row. So if we look this way, you can see you have a plastic piece that comes in to the actual bumper, and then there's this slot. That slot receives these blue clips. So there's going to be 5 of them to overcome. You can see how they click in and they hold the bumper and the trim together. So what you're going to need to do is get inside the actual bumper, in between the plastic bumper and the aluminum frame piece that is at the actual protecting part of the bumper. You're going to need to get in there with a screwdriver, press that clip down, and pull it out. All right, let's get our bearings. This is the front of the truck. We're heading back towards the skid plate. To assist yourself in getting back in here and removing those blue clips, it is helpful to remove this 10 millimeter bolt here right in the center. And then also right here where this piece of trim meets the bumper, if you remove those, then when you grab on to the actual bumper, you can see how much play you have to get in there and find those blue clips. Now they're pretty tight in there, but if you take a little bit of WD-40 or silicone lubricant or something and you spray that area, I found that if you get in with a really long screwdriver, you can just get in, press them down, and push them out like that. Once that happens, you've successfully removed the piece. All right, now let's do the reverse. Hopefully this goes a lot easier than taking it off. Line everything up, push it in. There we go. Now I'm gonna get those blue clips before I do anything else. There's one. You have to really squeeze it together right here and slip your hand inside at the same time to get it tight enough together to clip. There. Nice. There. Oh. Well, and there we go. Not technically difficult, but definitely tedious. I think the difference though, however, from the way the old one looked is dramatic, and we're really working to keep this vehicle looking pretty. Maybe one of the next things we need to do is get rid of that kind of yellowish looking headlight. buff it out, something like that to try to keep it looking new. If you found this video helpful, will you please give it a thumbs up? It's really helpful to the channel. Also, please consider subscribing. I work really hard to put together very efficient content that's automotive related. There's a lot more videos to come. Leave me a comment down below if there's anything that I missed or if you have any questions on replacing this. I tried to get in there as close as possible to the various things that needed to be done, but I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Until next time, thank you for watching.